really. Just,
a lighter note.
yeah, it's not a lighter
I'm
note.
getting a bit deep very quickly.
Yeah, no, no, as wedding photographers, we always come across some really funny experiences or embarrassing experiences, some stories that just make you laugh all the time. I'm sure you've got loads of them. Is there any that spring to mind?
Okay, so the question was, do I have any funny experiences over my years of any funny moments or anything like that? Yes, there's been heaps. Probably a few of my favourites was that where the bride and groom, the names were a little bit funny. So I had an Asian couple, and the groom's name was Hoang, no problem. Her name was Titty. I'm like, all right, no problem, you know. So on the wedding day, there I am on the beach photographing, and I said, Hoang, look at Titty, kiss Titty. I'm serious. I mean, I'm serious when I need to be, but I'm a pretty light-hearted guy, you know. You come to my workshop, and I just couldn't stop laughing the whole day. You know? There's so many things. I mean, that's just one of many moments. Actually, let me tell you another thing. I went to a wedding for some reason. Everyone was a control freak at the bride's house. I go to the bride, right, and one by one, the father would come up to me and say, "Look, I think you should shoot here." And then the mother would come to me, "I think you should shoot here." And then the sister, and I'm like, you know that fake smile that you give, it's like, so anyway, so I shot this wedding under duress and under pressure. But you grit your teeth, you bear it, no problem. And you know, and as you do, you sort of flirt with the bride a little bit, make it comfortable. Not like bad innuendos or anything silly, but you know, you're beautiful, gorgeous, whatever. And I mainly call my brides gorgeous and darling, and my two sort of words. Anyway, so I called her, I said, and dropped an innuendo. It was something like, I took a photo of the bride and I said, "Oh, there's one for my wallet, I'll do one for you now." Right? All the bridesmaids laughed. The father heard me and says, "Hey, that's my daughter." I freaked out, like, what the hell do you do, right? And you know when you don't know whether someone's actually joking or not? And you do that fake, and he didn't respond. I'm like, oh my God, this is you know, not working here. Anyway, so the whole wedding, it was just one of those pressure weddings. The energy in the air was really terrible. The groom's family, the sweetest family you'll ever meet. Her family, just... Anyway, so we go to the family photographs, and I'm photographing the family. I'm setting up the bride and the groom, and the father comes up to me and says, "Do you mind actually photographing us first before you photograph the bride and groom?" Like, I'm of course setting up the bride and groom to get the family in, but he thinks I'm going to do my whole location shoot in front of 50 family members. The mother comes up, "Look, do you mind if you photograph us first because we need to go?" The sister comes up, the same thing. Like, what am I going to say? "Well, excuse me, don't you know who I am?" I'm not going to say that, right? I'm just going to say, "Look, I had enough. I had enough to hear." And I said, "Can you just think for 1 minute that I actually know what I'm doing?" The father, he got in my face, he was ready to punch me. He was ready to knock me out. I was afraid for my life because he was an angry looking guy, right? One of those mafia guys who break your bones and all that kind of stuff. And literally, the groomsman jumps in and starts pushing us away, like, as if I'm going to hit the father-in-law. I'm not going to hit him, right? So he starts pushing us away, but he was very aggressive, and I'm like sheepish the rest of the evening. I do a same-day slideshow at the wedding. And I'm packing up sheepishly, ready to pack up and just leave for home. And I'm seeing the father just do a beeline towards me, like, "Oh no." He walked towards me, and I'm like, you know, like doing that thing, the head down. He looks at me, he puts out his hand, and he shakes my hand. He goes, "That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen." And I'm like, I was freaking out. And anyway, he says, "I just want to apologise. I lost my brother 2 months ago, and I let it all out on you. I'm sorry. I just needed a vehicle, and you were it." And that was it. So, and honestly, I was like, you know what? You don't know people, do you? You don't know the situation. You don't know who people are. But that was sort of, I think it's funny now, but on the day, that's one of the worst sort of times that I've experienced on a wedding day. So.